What's up, everybody? Welcome in. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate y'all. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If it's your first time, welcome. If not, welcome back to my channel, Pieces of April. I just want to come up here and say thank you to you guys and do a really quick video and tell you about my Buy Me a Coffee shop. I am on Buy Me a Coffee. You can go check that out, buymeacoffee.com. Check that out. Find me over there. Follow me. Check me out over there. I have my shop. I'm selling cute earrings. I'm selling um, mugs, all kinds of stuff. So you can go over there and check it out. And I will be adding things to the shop monthly. So if you go over there and you don't see something like right now, make sure you go keep checking because you might find something later on. Okay. And right now that I have a sale going on until this Wednesday, October 18th. It's free shipping. It's free shipping, y'all. Because after the shipping gonna have to go up a little bit, because it's coming all the way from Tanzania. So I have to pay for the shipping. But the introductory rate with my store just starting, I want to do free shipping just to say thank you to everybody that, wanted to go over there and support me over there. I really, really appreciate it. I really, truly do. Thank y'all so much for everyone that's purchased items so far. Thank you so much for spreading the word and sharing and telling people about it. I really, truly, truly appreciate it. And even if you go over there and you don't buy anything, or you just want to follow me over there, just follow me over there. Oh wow, y'all, I'm good. Why is it when you own a video, people call? People call me, y'all. Let me go on. Let me. I might as well answer because she gonna she gonna keep calling y'all. So let me go on and answer. Hello.
Hello, dear. How are you?
Yeah. Hi. Hey. How you doing? I'm a little busy right now. I'm recording.
Oh, sorry, dear. I just want to chat
Uh
with you
huh.
for a moment. Do you have time right now?
Okay. Well, how you doing?
I'm fabulous, dear. I'm Penelope Ann Worthington. Oh,
Yeah. Okay. That's good. Well, what's going on? What's up? Cause I'm kind of busy. I'm doing something right now. So what's up? What's up? What's up?
I was phoning to let you know I'll be there soon and I want some of your art.
Penelope, that's so nice. You want to buy something for me? You want to buy some of my art? That's
Bye.
so nice.
Bye, dear. No, no, I want it. I mean, you're just a beginner, dear. It can't cost that much. I mean, you're just now starting. Oh, dear. Bye. Oh,
Wow. Okay. Wait a minute. But how you just gonna call me? Tell me you want something from me, and then tell me it ain't worth nothing. See that's what I'm talking about. That's the stuff. That's the stuff. You gonna get beat up. Somebody gonna beat you. Somebody gonna fight you, girl. Like for real.
beat me up, dear. Never!
Ooh, I done told you about all that hollering in my ear. You can't be calling me and doing all that. Never and how you can't be doing that.
Well, it's no matter, dear. I'll pay for it. Just tell me what the cost is.
Wait, when are you coming? When are you coming, girl?
I'll be
Cause
there
I gotta
soon,
mentally
dear.
prepare. So when are you coming?
I'll be there soon, dear, and I have something for you as well.
Oh, really? Okay. Well, you got me something. That's so nice. I
Of course,
appreciate it.
of course, dear. I always love helping out the less fortunate.
What? See, that's that stuff. Bye, Poppy. I ain't got time. Bye. Bye. Call me before you come to my house.
Yes, dear. Toodles.
Ooh, y'all. I can't stand. Ooh, I can't stand. I can't stand her, y'all. I don't even know why food was. She done came in, messed up my video. That see, that's how people do you. That's how. Ooh, child. Anyway, sorry about that, y'all. Y'all heard and saw. I'm sorry about that, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all check out the Buy Me a Coffee shop. I appreciate it. The link again is in my about section. I appreciate y'all. And until next video, keep grinding, keep shining, good people. Peace.